CP Group, Jarian Pokopal Foods Company Limited.
Cassava is one of the important root crops in the Philippines because of its many uses. Aside from being used as food and feed ingredients, cassava is also used in the manufacture of industrial products. Moreover, cassava can be processed into different food products with higher economic value. Establishing a cassava plantation can have ensure benefits for CPF, as well as the local government in Samal and doing farmer synergy. Here are the benefits. First, sustainable raw material supply. By growing cassava, CPF can ensure a consistent and local source of raw materials for producing feeds. Second, boosting local agriculture. The establishment of a cassava plantation as part of the CPF's operations can stimulate local agriculture. This not only creates jobs but also encourages more farmers to engage in cassava cultivation. Third, market for local farmers. The cassava plantation can offer a reliable market for local farmers. Farmers can sell their cassava produce, ensuring they have a consistent and accessible buyer. Starting with the plantation of cassava seeds, it may be planted on any season. The stem to be planted must be from a matured plant, and the thickness of the stem must not be smaller than half of the fattest part of the stem from where it is cut. Cassava may be harvested 10 to 14 months after planting. Try first a few roots. If the rest of the crops don't grow anymore, then it is time to harvest. Plow the field, or carefully pull up the crops manually. Cassava is sold fresh, or dried as flakes. Wash well, peel and shred, then dry. Pull up the whole plant gently, with all its root crop. Don't drag so as not to bruise, which will cause the start of rotting. Next step will be the grinding and drying process. Sun drying is natural drying that has long been utilized for feed preservation technique due to using economical process. The harvested cassava will be weighed on a weighing scale, and then grind carefully on a machine, and on the clear and spacious areas where drying techniques vary among farmers, and range from sun drying. What happens next is the dried cassava will be delivered on CPF feed mill. Before unloading the cassava, it should be weighed on the truck scale. This is done to determine the quantity of cassava being delivered accurately. The cassava is then unloaded at the raw material warehouse. After the cassava is unloaded at the warehouse, it undergoes a quality control check in the QC department. The quality control department might check for factors like moisture content, purity, and any contaminants that could affect the final product's quality. This step is crucial to ensure that the dried cassava meets the required standards and is suitable for use in feed production. After the production process, fish feed is typically packed and prepared for delivery to fish farms where it will be used to feed fish like tilapia or bangus, also known as milkfish. The packaging and delivery process is essential to ensure that the feed reaches the farms in good condition and is ready for use. This ensures that the fish on the farms receive the necessary nutrition to grow and thrive.
Thank you, CPF, for synergy cassava planting.
Thank you, CPF!
Thank you, CPF, for synergy cassava planting.